Hey everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services for their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a different carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original network, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Motorola Moto E5 Play. This is one that is originally from Sprint here in the US, but this is one that we have done the SIM unlock process to, as evidenced by the information up here in the status bar. So we can see that we are registered on Cricket. There we go. And we've got our LTE signal there and everything enabled. Let me jump into the settings and we'll show you a little bit more about exactly what we're looking at. If we go under About. Okay, so then this does show that we are indeed dealing with a Moto E5 Play. And then, of course, the software variant there shown as Sprint. So that's where the device is originally from. But then if we go under status, we can see that we are indeed registered on Cricket's network with our full LTE signal. And then again, that's a prepaid provider that runs on AT&T here in the US. So we're just making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a SIM unlock service for this device. Boost Mobile and Virgin may also have a similar model to this because those are prepaid subsidiaries from Sprint. But at any rate, the basic model that we're talking about here is going to be the XT1921-5. If we can get my focus to cooperate here and show us that information on the sticker here. There we go. XT1921-5. That's the specific one we're talking about here. So if you have a Moto E5 Play from Sprint or one of their prepaid companies and would like to get its SIM unlocked for use on a different network, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy down the road. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you're notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.